Hello there, welcome back in our YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you the how we are publish the coloring book on Amazon KDP. At a previous video I will publish the first coloring book because we take a challenge of 100 books as you know. So today we are publish a second coloring book on Amazon KDP. So without waste any second, let's get start the video. Before the publishing coloring book on Amazon KDP, I am show you the interior file and book cover how it's look like. So give the feedback in the comment section if you do you like. Okay, so you can see that this is a interior file which I am creating. You can see that this is a paper bleed and a color test page, and this is a coloring pages. If you can see that these are coloring pages which we are published today on Amazon KDP. Okay, I am show you the all in one format. Okay, you can see that this is the interior file which have 88 pages. At the end have a feedback review feedback page. It's good for getting reviews on Amazon KDP book. Okay, so next is book cover. If you like this book cover, give the rating, give the feedback in the comment section and mention book cover is good or not. Okay, so okay, done. This file is done. Okay, next step, we are before the publishing coloring book on Amazon KDP. First, we are generating a book title, description, and a tag subtitle that we are just copy and paste. You can see that this is a prompt for generating a book cover, title, subtitle, description, and tags. Okay, for the book. Write this: Hi, I am a creating coloring book on Cozy Bookstore coloring book for Amazon KDP. So please write a title, subtitle, description with the key points and 7 tags for Amazon KDP. Okay, then you send this prompt. This is the web search option. You can here click on it and you can see that web search. Then you write this prompt. Okay. Next, you can see that this ChatGPT is very good writing a title, subtitle, and description with the key points. These are the 7 tags which can help to boost the sales of on Amazon. Okay, organically. Or next step, we are now start publishing coloring book on Amazon KDP. Okay, then you just open your Amazon KDP account and click on create new title or series. Then you click on paperback, create paperback, click on it. There is you can see that book cover, title option, subtitle option, and here is author name. You can select a very good author name, select at the time of book publishing. Okay, this is a description site for pasting and publishing, right? I on. Okay, if you are creating primary audience have you can see that just click on no option, change anything. Okay, there is you can see that 7 keywords option which we are now I can show you. Okay, I'm just copy and paste from here and just paste here. You can see that I'm just copy paste title, description, and subtitle tags. Okay, here you can see that book title, but no need to please select the good author name. Okay, here you can see the description. This I am already show you, and here is the tags. You can match that. I am just copy and paste, no any change. I am not any doing any change. Okay, so you can see that each and everything exact same. Okay, next step, just click on save and continue option. This is the second step of book publishing content. Okay, next and final is rights and price. Here get a free KDP ISBN number and just you can click on assign ISBN and assign ISBN. Okay, and the next step you can see the print option. You can select as per your book requirements. Okay, here you can see that trim size. You can select your exact same book size that you can't face any problem. Okay, here if you have a margin in your PDF file, interior file, okay, then you click on it. Otherwise you select an object if you have no margin in your interior file. This is a cover finish. You can select as per your requirement. Okay, I'm just select glossy. Here you can see that manuscript option and book cover option, and I'm just paste it and I'm just publish the book cover and interior file. Here you can set AI generator. My interior file is not AI generator, so then I am selecting the option. If you are generating the coloring book with the AI, then you click on yes button and select the other option. As if you do not know how what select options, use link in I button. You can click on it and then you see the process of book publishing if you are creating book with AI. Okay, book preview here after the publishing the manuscript and book cover, then you click on the launch preview. Okay, done. I am publishing the manuscript and book cover, and I am just click on the launch preview option. Here you can see that launch preview work is completed. If you have any issue in your interior or book cover OK file, the error you can see here in this side quality check section side. And but in my case, no have any issue in the book cover and interior file, so that's why no issue any here. Okay, this is a book cover and this is interior file as you I show already. Okay, this work is completed and just click on the approve button. This process is completed. Next we are click on save and continue and complete the full and final process of book publishing. Okay, and not need to change other anything here. This is a right. Okay, all territories. And then my advice is if at the first time if you are publishing the book, my advice is first 20 to 30 books you can list a minimum price. I know you not earn a lot much royalty in minimum price, but if you are selecting the low price, sales increases chances high. Okay, my in my case I am just selecting the 5.99 and then just click on enter button. You can see that I am just on 0.16 cents. Okay, but it's okay, and these price automatically change. You can see that here you can see that your book is publishing the other countries also, and then just click on publish your paperback. Okay, done. This process is done. Then we are just I'm clicking the publish your paperback, enter. Okay, done. Your paperback, your coloring book is published, and after 72 hours, your book is live on Amazon. Okay, you can here you can see that 72 hours means 3 days. After 3 days, your book is live on Amazon.com and other countries sites also. Okay, I hope you are learning something new. This is a second book which we are publishing according to the challenge. I'm try my best. If you face any problem at any moment, you can write a comment. I every day, every time available for your help. Okay. So thanks for watching and subscribe this channel and press bell icon that you can't forget an upcoming video. Signing off.